Doing small, gentle movements is one of the best ways to improve spinal mobility. And when our spine is supple, we can definitely improve our mobility every day. So let's start. We're going to be seated on a mat with the legs in diamond shape. Try to sit up as straight as you can. Start by arching your spine a little bit, and as you do that, you'll be looking diagonally up and then curling, bringing your belly button in towards the spine and looking down to the floor, alternating between arching and curling. As you arch the spine, you inhale. And as you curl the spine, you exhale. Try to have the heels pressing together. Keep the knees slightly higher. We're not dropping the legs to the floor. Keeping it in diamond shape, active diamond shape position. That will help to activate our inner thighs as we do the arching and curling in our spine. We're going to come to straightening one leg as we bend the other. Rotate your body to the side of the bent leg. Take your time to do this movement. Feel the rotation coming from the base of the spine. Your gaze can be in line with your fingertips that is behind you. Try to keep equal weight on both sit bones. And this time you're going to have the legs in the same way as just now, but open up your arms. As you move your body to the side, arching and looking up. Feel like you're opening your chest a little bit more each time. Arching your spine in a side angle. Inhale as you open up, arching. Exhale as you come back to center to curl, and repeat. We continue to do arch and curl here. Bend your knees as you curl forward. Straighten up your legs in flex and arch back, looking straight up to the sky. Curl forward, keeping your belly button in. That will help open the back. And from here, opening the chest. Flexing and keeping the legs as straight as possible. Try to curl a little deeper each time, hollowing out the belly more each time, and opening up the chest a little bit more each time too. Come to all fours. Make sure your wrist is right below the shoulders. Gently bend the elbows and arch the spine. Straighten the elbows and curl the spine. So make sure your pelvis is right above the knees. We don't want it in front or behind. bending your elbows. See if elbows can touch the floor as you arch. Curling, looking at your belly button. The difference between this and the usual cat-cow is that we bend the elbows here, therefore helping us to really arch the spine rather than lifting from the neck. Back to all fours again. This time we're going deeper into an arch by going sideways here, starting from the center and to the right, followed by the left. You also find that I am sitting back as I arch. That will also deepen the arching of the spine. Looking diagonally to the side, make sure it's diagonal. Interlace your fingers. Inhale, arching, looking up. Exhale, curling, looking down. Arching, straighten your elbows and try to move your hands away. Roll your shoulders back. Curling, bend the elbows, looking down. Enjoy the straightening of the arms because we are letting go of the tightness around our elbows area as well as our shoulders as we do that. Curling, looking down for recoil, and then starting again, arching, roll the shoulders back, bringing the pelvis forward too. That will help us to arch deeper. I hope you enjoy doing this as much as I do because it does feel very liberating. Across the collarbone, the chest, the shoulders, the elbows, actually even the wrist. Arching deeper, deepest. And when you curl, you also curl as much as you can by reaching down to the floor. That is all I have for this time here. I hope you enjoy this slow, gentle spinal movement video. Do like and subscribe. Your subscription, your participation is very much appreciated. It will help me grow my channel. Keep moving, keep getting better because our body loves it when we move. We're born to move. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.